and welcome to Higher Ground Gaming. This is Eric. Today we're going to do another board game unboxing. This is going to be a game we sponsored on Kickstarter called Calico by Kevin Russ and published by AEG and Flatout Games. So co-collaboration there. It's a game about tile placement kind of, and kind of organizing, like a little puzzle type game, organizing your it's like quilt or something, or surface, so that the cats will want to lay on it. So you're gonna developing different patterns and such. So let's take a look at the back of the box here. Bring it up there a little bit. Trying to get the focus. Let's see here. There we go. This is probably as good as we're gonna get it. All right, so Calico is a gorgeous spatial puzzle game for the whole family. Players are quilters, or quilts, that's what it is. Quilters competing to create the coziest, most beautiful quilts. Because anybody that knows cats is they like comfort. Turns are simple. Sew patches onto your quilt by drafting and placing tiles onto your personal board. Earn victory points by sewing on buttons. Fulfilling your design goals and attracting cuddly cats to curl up on your quilt. So Mr. Brody does not like this game. And Miss Mags likes it though. So it's a puzzly tile lady game of quilts and cats. So Flatout Games, AEG. So it's 30 to 45 minutes. 1 to 4 players and ages 14 and above. And again, you would think that something like this maybe wouldn't be 14 and above, but it is a lot more complex than it actually appears to be at first. It looks like just a simple little tile playing game, but there's actually a lot of strategy in it from the reviews I've watched so far. One of them being Z Garcia from the Dice Tower. That's the one I remember. Anyway, let's take a look and see what's inside the box. All right, looks like a nice quality box. All right, let's take that. Excuse my elbow there. All right, so let's see what we have inside the box. So of course we have the rule book, which we always start off with for the most part. Just basically a picture of the box. And then you have your 4 player boards here. Trying to get it to focus. We're still working on getting everything done here so it gets focused. So you have your 108 tiles, 24 design goals. So you have a lot of those like end game victory points and stuff. Black and white patch tiles, double-sided cat scoring tiles, your cat tokens, which you're going to place on the blankets, so 80 of those, 1 cloth bag, score pad, always appreciated, 52 button tokens, 1 button scoring tile, and 1 master quilter tile, so whoever gets the highest score becomes the master quilter. So beginner setup, and then you have a standard setup. So maybe first game you do the beginner, and then after that do the standard. When you're teaching new players, do the basic. Design goal tiles, so what they do and how to use them. Cat scoring tiles, cat tokens, button scoring tile, and button tokens. So I think it's pretty well laid out with examples. And then game end and final scoring. And finally, what the different scoring tiles do for the cats. So there you go, get a little sunlight coming in still. So, and then in the bottom is design goal tiles. And here, looks like achievements here you can do. So this might be for the solo play possibly, but it could be for just a regular game too. But anyway, different scenarios and stuff. You can score it. This looks like the normal game right here. So it looks like 60 and above in order to get on that, and then it looks like it goes up to 85, and then there's other achievements and stuff you can get, and then achievement rule restrictions. So it looks like there's some different ways you can play the game. More scenarios. The scenarios here. So as you can play different things to achieve different goals. It looks like each one of these requires a different victory point. 60, 62, 64, 68, 72. Different ones there. And then the cats. The different types of cats here. So you have Millie, Tibet, Coconut, Sierra, Guinevere, Callie, Rumi, Tecolite, whoever that is, sorry, Almond, Leo, Luna, and Shopcat. And then the back right here. So just made credits and stuff on the back. All right, so that's your rule book. So in all, it looks like it's 16 pages, which isn't too bad. All right, and here are the tokens. These look, again, most of the AEG games have very good quality components. So this is one of the cats here, Millie. And then the different tokens, which I'll show you the thickness of these. Well, decent thickness. So it looks like you have your different, these might be the buttons and stuff, I think they might be. And then here are the different patches in here, different colors and patterns. Different kitties right here. I'm not sure, it's not focusing that well, but there you go. More tiles here, so lots of tiles. So a lot of stuff in this small little box here. So different patterns and colors. And again, scoring tiles right here, which you'll place on your board. And it looks like maybe the first player token there, the Calico. And more cats right here. Don't see any Siamese in here though. So Miss Mags is kind of disappointed about that. Here's the Master Quilter token here. More cats. There you go. And the cool bag. It's a nice bag here. It's plenty big to fit your hand inside. It's usually what we go by. So it looks like they give you enough room. I have kind of a small hand, but looks like you would fit bigger hands too. And here's your little score pad here. Not sure if they're double-sided or not. We'll check these out. Let's see here. Nope, just single-sided, but we'll make copies of these. But nice, good amount of these. Nice thick score pad here. Looks like it's very simple. Looks like it scores in just 5 categories. There, so that's pretty good. Well, actually 4 categories, then you sum them up there in the bottom. And these might be some extra ones, either for an expansion or for a Kickstarter goals. So some extra cats here. So what this is, Kickstarter, yep, Kickstarter promo cats. So it looks like you have a shop cat here. And it might be a rule sheet to how to implement the cats here. This is the shop cat. And of course some baggies. And then finally it looks like the player boards. Oh, these are really nice. Yeah, I can see what Z Garcia was talking about. These are nice, I don't know if you can see that, but nice recessed player boards. So the patches on the sides there also count as part of your thing, so you have to match those too. So that's kind of neat the way that's implemented, but as you can see here, it's if you put the tiles in here, they won't fall out easily if you shake it or whatever. Maybe you shake it, they, of course, the ones inside will, but once you've placed and completed it, they won't come out. So nice recessed player boards here, which we love. That's the back of them. So they're pretty much, it looks like they're each unique, so they each have unique colors around them, which is cool. Patterns and such. And here's the last one right here. There you go. So nice box here. Nice quality. Nice components. Looks like it's definitely a really good production value, which we appreciate for our hard-earned dollar, which we get sponsor lots of games, so we like to get good quality when we can. So I think this is fairly reasonable, around 30, I say, somewhere around there. So I'm not sure exactly, but pretty good price though. So that's it. This is Eric from Higher Ground Gaming. Definitely looking forward to get this one to the table. And it's Calico, even though it's not a calico cat on the box, by Kevin Russ, designed by Kevin Russ, and published by AEG and Flatout Games. Oh, also too, you can see the artwork right here by Beth Sobel. She does really great artwork. We have a lot of other games that she does. Can't think of any offhand, but we know her artwork is very distinct and very excellent. So that explains it there. So take care and God bless, and we'll see you in the next unboxing video. Bye-bye now.